Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ETF investments with Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your ETF investments with Schwab, first, ensure you have a Schwab account. If you don't have an account, visit the Schwab website to open one. Once your account is set up and verified, log in to your Schwab account. Navigate to the Investment Products section on the main menu. Click on Exchange Traded Funds or simply search ETFs in the search bar. Review the available ETFs to understand different options. Utilize the filters to narrow down your search based on your investment goals. You can filter by category, performance, and expense ratio to find the best fit for you. Once you find an ETF that interests you, click on its name for detailed information. Review the ETF's performance history, holdings, and expense ratio. Take note of the fund's objectives and any additional information provided. If you decide to invest in the ETF, locate the Trade button. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase. Review the estimated total cost associated with this investment. Choose the order type that aligns with your investment strategy. You can select market or limit orders, depending on how you want to execute your trade. Confirm all details are correct before finalizing the purchase. After your order is executed, monitor your ETF's performance regularly. Consider setting up alerts to stay updated on market movements. Finally, continually assess your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.